In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Cashapp application on your PC. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. Now, since the Cashapp application does not have an official PC application, we are going to have to use an Android emulator to use the Android version on your PC. So for this, let's just open up our web browser and search for any Android emulators. BlueStacks is a popular option that supports a wide range of machines. So let's go to bluestacks.com and then just click on Download BlueStacks 10. You can install the BlueStacks emulator on your system by simply cycling through the next button. Once you install the BlueStacks application, just go ahead and open it up by double-clicking on it. Now that the BlueStacks application has opened up, we will need to log in using our Google account. So make sure that you have logged into your Google account and then just open the Google Play Store and search for Cashapp. Once you find the application, just tap on the Install button and the application will begin installing. Now you can simply open the application and you will be able to use the Cashapp application on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Cashapp application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.